Hey you guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the visualization for merge sort, and in part 1 we're going to look at merge sort the algorithm specifically, and in part 2 we're going to look at the merge algorithm. So since merge sort already has merge and calls merge in it, when it comes time to call the merge function, I'm just going to skip over it and we're going to assume that it will rebuild our broken up array into a sorted array. Our first function call to merge sort will result in us having a left index of 0 and a right index of the size of our array -1. We will then have our mid index, which will be the calculation of the right index plus the left index divided by 2. In our first case, the mid index is going to be 2. So right after the calculation of the mid index, what we're going to do is that through the use of indices, we're going to break down our array until it's 1 or 2 elements. Well, first we're going to break it down until it's only 1 element. But once we get to 2 or more elements, we'll start merging them. With this first split, now we only have an array of 3 variables, and then I split it again. I have 2. I have 1 more, but this is, since I've gotten down only to 1 element, it's time for me to jump back up and do the right side. So the idea with this is that I keep splitting it up leftwards until I reach the end, until I reach one singular item. Once that's done, I go upwards towards the recursion and I start splitting it rightward. Once one layer is completely split, which is happening here, I'll start calling the merge function. So what's going to happen now is that we're going to merge 57 and 18. And while they're being merged, we're going to sort them out. So that results into the numbers essentially being flipped. But we just finished the split and combining for this subarray here highlighted in red. We need to finish the splitting and combining for this subarray that we have here. So we do that by splitting up the right side, and luckily for us it's only one index left, which is the index that points to 25. Now that it's all split up, what we'll do is that we're going to merge 18 and 57, which was merged together when 57 and 18 were split up. But now we're going to be merging it with 25, and that results in our little left hand area of the array becoming sorted. And this all results in the left half of our original vector being sorted. And once that's complete, we're going to go down and sort the right half. Luckily for us, it's only 2 elements, and coincidentally they are already sorted. So when we merge it back together, we don't really do any work. So we have these 2 splits, and these 2 halves are sorted within themselves in terms of the halves, right? So the left side of this array is sorted and the right side of the array is sorted. So we need to combine these halves into the whole array so that it is sorted. And that's the result of merge. And this covers the role of our merge sort function here in terms of the merge sort algorithm. Its job is to break up our array until there's singular values. Once there's singular values, we start merging it with other singular values, and we start building our ordered subarrays, and eventually our whole array gets sorted. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the merge function in our merge sort algorithm and how it actually goes about merging and sorting. Thank you.